Hey there, so we just got this big box of dog toys from Amazon. Let's check it out and see what's inside. Okay, so we have some poop bags, always come in handy. And we have one of these little dental cleaner thingies, so you can probably put some dog toothpaste in here. All these little nubs while they're chewing on it will help them clean their teeth. And then this is so cute. This is a banana that peels open. Cute. And then we have a bunch of rope toys. Lots of rope toys. Little squeaky bone. More rope toys. Little rope ball. These are kind of small. This would be good for a smaller dog, maybe medium dog. Some of these rope toys are a little bit bigger though. And then, oh, how cute. Oh, they'll go crazy for that. Daisy can hear it. This is good for putting little treats inside. And then we have another toy here. A little carrot, perfect for Easter. And then we have this little pull toy. It's really a lot. Looks like a good value. We'll see how the dogs like them and how well they hold up. He always barks and gets so excited. Okay, go get it. Good boy, Ralphie. Oh my gosh, he loves the ball. He loves it. Alright, Sadie, you want to try this one? Yeah. Oh, she wants the carrot. She wants the carrot. Ralphie wants the other one. Here. You want me to throw the ball? Okay, give me the ball. Give me the ball. Now you can see Daisy is calmly chewing her little rope toy. Ralphie still has the ball. So far, these toys are a hit. Okay, and here we have everything after about a month of use. It's been a little over a month, maybe 5 weeks. So we started out with 15 toys. I think I have about 12 here left. I know that the little wobble ball is still around. I just don't know where it's at. I couldn't find it. The little wobbly noise that it used to make, that got broken pretty quickly, but the dogs still liked the ball, so all wasn't lost. Banana's seen better days for sure. But overall, I'm really happy with this set of toys because it was $27 for 15 toys and 3 little rolls of poop bags. And I mean, the dogs are still playing with these. I've washed some of these a couple of times, but I mean, if you look at the carrot, for instance, which is one of their favorites, it's still in pretty good shape. So overall, I would definitely recommend this set of dog toys. Thanks for watching.